This is the 2011 Dodge Journey V6 all-wheel drive, navigation, leather. Nice screen. It's got heated seats. There's your 12-volt plug-in, cup holders. There's your auxiliary and USB ports. There's the spy on the kids. More plug-ins back here. Cup holders. Power locks, power windows, audio controls on your steering wheel, cruise control. This vehicle is 95,261 miles. If you're interested in seeing more of it, come on down to Siamaks Car Company in Salem on Market Street, 2908 Market Street Northeast, Salem, Oregon 97301, or visit us online at siamaks.com. Thank you.